Hello YouTube, this is Qman Aviation back again with another model review, and in today's model review we'll be looking at the 1 to 400 scale Herpa Wings Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-700. Now this is in the 2000s Liberty, right before AirTran was merged with Southwest Airlines and with their new Liberty. And this is the old Liberty back in the 2000s. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the box first. So here's the front of the box here. And here's the side. And the back. Both are written in German and English. Here's the original design here. And it shows the wingspan, length, and height. And this is a Herpa catalog number 560504. And yeah. Also, here's the other side here. The other side of the box. And I do in fact have the model outside, so yeah. Let's take a look at it closely. Now, like I said, this is a 2000s Liberty between like 2003 and 2013 when Southwest Airlines changed their logo of the plane. Funny enough, I used to have a Southwest Airlines toy plane of this, but I lost it. So yeah, but not this type of model. No. It was a die-cast model or a Darren model. So yeah. So let's look at it closely. So here's the cockpit. So here's the cockpit window right here. And the engines look really nice. They look really good in detail. As well as the paint job. It looks pretty nice. The wings look pretty good. No scuffing on the paint. And here's the back of the plane where the tail fin is. And here's the belly with a nice red paint job on here. And also on these wings here as well. So yeah. And this is and here's the registration number for the aircraft. It's November 794 Sierra Whiskey. And here's the Southwest logo. And yeah, this is a really nice looking model here. Let's put that back here. And yeah, so that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you everyone all so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. And I know I have been gone for like a really long time. I think my last video was August 29th. So I'm back. And stay tuned for more model reviews like this. And peace.